And today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new fryers. This is going to be a 50-pound natural gas fryer. Okay, this is going to be 50 pounds. Brand on the unit, own company brand, Cooler Depot. As you can see in the front, we have the plaque with our brand on it. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this fryer out for you. Starting with the length, we're looking at a total of 15.5 inches. Height on the wheels, you're looking at a total of 5 inches. Now the wheels will have breakers already on the wheels installed. Okay, so you can see them on the very bottom over here, breakers installed. Now front to back measurement, you're looking at a total of 30 inches front to back. Overall height for this fryer, you're looking at a total of 45 inches high. Okay, so those are your overall measurements for this fryer. Also on the back, you can locate the gas connector, gas inlet, gas connection on the back. Okay, measurements for these baskets. For the length, you're looking at 6.5 inches front to back. You're looking at 13 inches. Bottom to the top, total of 6 inches. Okay, you will be provided with a set of 2 baskets for this fryer. Now let's go back to the front and show you the inside. As we open up this door, on the inside you can locate your plaque with all details regarding this fryer. Okay, you can locate your model, your BTUs for this unit, and as well as certifications. Okay, so all that information is located on the inside for this fryer. Also on the inside, we have our burners. You have a total of 4 burners for this fryer. You also have your oil drain on the front, as well as a thermostat or a temperature control on the very bottom of this unit. Okay, so this is all going to be on the front for this fryer. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a 50-pound natural gas fryer. If you're interested in one of these units, simply go to our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update all the information on the website, including the price for this exact fryer. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.